Man, guys, I've been out here in downtown LA for the last 2 hours and I haven't gotten any content because I'm terrified to film out here. I'm terrified to film out here. You know why? People are walking by and I got a camera in my face. We're in LA. You never know what's going to happen, but we're going to do it. I want to stand right here. And film. But there's people, there's a stoplight right here. And people freaking looking at me, dude. And it's God, and people keep coming in between and am I even? Yeah, I am recording. Okay, is it recording? Yeah, we're recording. People keep coming in between, but all right, guys, we're gonna stand right here. We're gonna stand right here and film. I know there's people just looking at me, driving by right now. And we're gonna get out of our comfort zone because I wanted to come on the street and start filming some content for you guys. And we're gonna get uncomfortable right now, man. And I wanted to talk about crypto, but let's talk about getting uncomfortable. I think this is what's needed for change. You know, what's up, man? And dude just mean mugged the crap out of me. But anyways, so yeah, we're just out here getting out of our comfort zone. I wanted to talk about crypto, Crow, Dogecoin, Squid Grow, all those coins. But it looks like we're gonna be talking about getting out of your comfort zone. And we're in the perfect spot. Look at right here, Los Angeles, mi amor. And I believe getting out of your comfort zone is what's needed for change. Right now, I'm freaking embarrassed, and there's people staring at me in the car, and I'm looking at people staring at me in the car, and they're there's people. Look, it's stop sign right here. Stop sign right here. Stoplight. I'm gonna wait until these people go because I'm a little self-conscious out here filming with my phone in my face. But getting out of your comfort zone is where the real change happens. So that's why I'm doing this. I need change in my life, not necessarily financially, spiritually, mentally. I'm good. I'm good. I'm just comfortable, but I got to get out of that comfort zone because the comfort zone is where you die. You officially die in the comfort zone. And I want to get out of that. Start stepping into new dimensions. Start talking to people on the street. Start, just filming everything. Monetize your life, and that's what a lot of people. Social media allows you to monetize your life. So if you guys ever thought about getting into filming and stuff like that, social media, then a guy once told me, I think Andrew Kirby, I saw a video, he said, just pick up the camera and monetize your life. And guys, look at this beautiful restaurant right here. This beautiful restaurant. And these people. Yeah, I'm only showing you that because people walk by and I got nervous. So anyways, yeah, monetize your life. This new year, 2023 is coming up. What kind of goals do you have? What kind of ambitions do you have? This sounds super cliche. I don't usually talk like this. But what kind of new goals do you have? I'm going to step out. I'm going to step out of my comfort zone on everything. Hope you guys could too. So just, you know what also helped me, guys? Writing things down. Writing everything down. So your day doesn't just go by without you not doing anything. So when you write something down, you're able to cross it off. And that does something in your brain to, it makes you feel good that you got something done. And yeah, people are absolutely just staring at me filming right now. But it's okay because this is one of many. And we're going to keep doing this. And more people are just staring, and they're coming. And we'll hold off right now. So, all right, we're back. So yeah, guys, just get out of your comfort zone. That's all I wanted to say. Thank you. This is my first video outside of the damn house and filming inside on the street in downtown LA. It's pretty rough out here, man. I was gonna bring this. I'm using my phone right now. I was gonna bring my actual camera with the light and everything. That's definitely not the thing to do out here, because I don't know what's going on out here, but I don't know. It's definitely not the place to do that. So I got the camera phone out, and people actually don't like. I can just feel I can feel the tension when I'm filming outside with my phone. You know, getting everybody, and you can just feel the tension. People don't really like to be filmed at all. So forget it. We're gonna do it anyways. All right, guys. Thanks for tuning in. So it's not about crypto, but I just felt like talking about this. Thanks you guys for tuning in. We'll get another video going pretty soon. Peace.
The pain inside, don't wanna feel it. Yeah. So I pour up inside my cup and I just sip till I can't feel it. Ooh. I know it won't solve my problem, but I know it makes a difference. One more sip and I'ma fix it. Out my body when I'm tempted. I told her one more, she hear me say you quit or she dipping. Yeah, yeah. I don't want pain no more. I don't want no more pain. I ain't gon' see no way. Look at that with no pain. See the rain coming down, but it is not purple today. Came a long way from stacking and rolling that change. And all I ever wanted was some real love. Then I iced it on my heart, I watched it build up. My bro, he stayed with Tuesday Bob to build up. And I feel on inside, don't wanna feel it. Yeah. So I pour up inside my cup and I just sip till I can't feel it. Ooh. I know it won't solve my problem, but I know it makes a difference. One more sip and I'ma fix it. Out my body when I'm tempted. I told her one more, she hear me say you quit or she